Grom Moor National Park. Grom Moor National Park is located on the west coast of Newfoundland, the easternmost province of Canada. At 1,805 square kilometers, 697 square miles, it is the second largest national park in Atlantic Canada. It is surpassed by Torngat Mountains National Park, which is 9,700 square kilometers, 3,700 square miles. The park takes its name from Newfoundland's second highest mountain peak at 806 meters or 2,644 feet, located within the park. Its French meaning is large mountain standing alone, or more literally Great Somber. Grom Moor is a member of the Long Range Mountains, an outlying range of the Appalachian Mountains stretching the length of the island's west coast. It took 485 million years for Mother Nature to create Grom Moor National Park, a place unlike any other on Earth. A UNESCO World Heritage Site covering 1,805 square kilometers, the park is a never-ending series of wonders and delights, and a demonstration of the spectacularly raw and enigmatic beauty of the physical world. The Grom Moor National Park Reserve was established in 1973 and was made a national park on October 1, 2005. The park was the subject of a short film in 2011's National Parks Project. You can hike the amazing landscape along the Earth's mantle or climb to life-changing summits. Travel along the water through fjords carved by glaciers millennia ago, leaving behind towering cliffs and thunderous waterfalls. Alongside the natural wonders are highlights of a cultural heritage rich in humor and creativity, festivals, music, art, found throughout the park in towns like Cowhead and Woody Point. Areas of unusual and inspirational beauty often lure artists and writers, and Grom Moor National Park is no exception. Theatre Newfoundland and Labrador has its own summer-long festival, which puts on professional, culturally rich performances at Cowhead and other communities throughout the area. Enjoy warm summer days by setting up camp along the shores of ponds, lakes, rivers, or the ocean. The park's many camping options, both public and private, offer a wide range of experiences. You can tuck away the RV and head out to enjoy the amazing surroundings, or hike your way to more a primitive site along one of the park's trails. The unique geological landscape of Newfoundland and Labrador attracts scientists and rock hounds from across the globe. It tells the remarkable story of Earth's evolution and features some of the oldest rocks in the world. The Johnson Geocenter, carved out of the ancient rock of Signal Hill in St. John's, is a great place to begin your geological journey of the province. So connect with nature. Beyond its awe-inspiring scenic beauty, Growmore National Park boasts an incredible biotic richness and is internationally acclaimed for its unique combination of geologic features. The rocks of the area describe ages of geologic turmoil when old oceans disappeared, new ones were created, and continents took shape. The rocks in Growmore National Park have contributed greatly to our understanding of plate tectonics. It is for this contribution to our understanding of the world around us that Growmore National Park was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Growmore National Park is dominated by two distinctly different landscapes: a coastal lowland bordering the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the alpine plateau of the Long Range Mountains. These provide habitats for an array of flora and fauna, flowering plants, bryophytes, lichens, mammals, fish and birds. This vast area of life consists of a unique mixture of temperate, boreal and Arctic species. Wherever you explore in the area, often you will see familiar species and discover their Arctic counterpart nearby. Watching wild animals is an exciting part of any visit to a national park, and Growmore National Park has loads of opportunities, from 40-ton whales to featherweight warblers. The safest way to enjoy watching wild animals is to give them space and respect. Appreciating the sensitive, dynamic nature of the environment and demonstrating appropriate behavior will not only lead to a safe and rewarding experience, but will contribute to a healthy, functioning, productive ecosystem. There are more than 100 kilometers of trails in the park, ranging from half-hour strolls to strenuous day hikes. The trails are rated according to their difficulty. Easy trails are flat to gently rolling. Elevation gain 0-100 meters. Moderate trails are gently rolling with short steep sections. Elevation gain 100-500 meters. Difficult trails are rolling with many steep sections that may continue for long sections. Elevation gain 500 and more meters. Parks Canada developed trails are clearly marked throughout their length and have boardwalks, bridges, and stairs where necessary, with the exception of the gully up Growmore Mountain and fjords along the Green Gardens Trail. For your comfort and safety, the mountain top is sometimes in cloud when visibility is poor and it's difficult to safely cross the mountain. Hiking in these conditions is not recommended. There is no food, shelter or water available on the mountain. Be prepared for changes in weather as well as cooler and windier conditions on the mountain. Pack a windbreaker, preferably waterproof. Take at least 1 liter of water per person, 2 on hot days. Sweater and trousers will usually be required at the top, even if it is warm and sunny below. Bring a lunch and snacks. Wear comfortable and sturdy footwear. Well broken in hiking boots are recommended. Carry a first aid kit with treatment for blistered feet. Parks Canada will continue to upgrade some of Growmore's most iconic trails in 2020. Design work began in 2016 and construction began in 2017 and 18. Making the most of advances in trail design and construction expertise and technology, they created safer, more enjoyable and sustainable trails. Thank you for watching my video, hoping the information was useful to you. If you liked, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.